One of the greatest things I've learned from the book, The Human Brain Manipulation, is how you should carry yourself around people. Like, for example, let's say you are late in a meeting. You are supposed to meet with people, or you are supposed to meet with someone, you understand. When you arrive there, instead of saying sorry for being late, how about you say, thank you for waiting for me. It means a lot to me. I appreciate your patience. Think about it. By doing that, you are shifting the focus from guilt to gratitude. You understand? Whatever decision that person have made up in their mind about you for being undisciplined, you are shifting their mind. Now you are giving them a second chance to rethink what they thought about you. You understand? Yeah, that's just how it is, man. When you make a decision, just stand by it. Don't shake. Don't explain yourself, because the more you explain yourself, the more unsure you sound. You understand? That's just how it is, man. When someone is asking you a question that you don't know about, instead of saying, I don't know the question, how about you say, wow, this sounds so interesting. What do you think? By doing that, you are showing curiosity energy instead of ignorance energy, because when you don't know something and then you are not even willing to know it, you are being ignorant. But when you don't know something but you are curious to learn about that thing, you are giving that person that is telling you about that thing more energy to explain the thing to you. You understand? That's just how it is, man. Those are